Hi, first graders. We are going to do some math review. So review means we're going to look back at some things we have already learned and make sure that our math brains still know what to do. Let's start practicing. We are going to do some addition. So the first addition problem we are going to do is 11 plus 6. And I'm going to use a 10 frame or a 20 frame. 10, 20 to help me add. Maybe you could draw a 20 frame at home. So first, what do I need to do? I need to make 11 the first number. So I'm going to fill up my 10 frame. I know that 11 is 10 and 1 more. So I have 10 and 1 more is 11. 10, 11 plus 6. So am I putting more counters on my 10 frame or am I taking some away? I'm putting more because I'm adding. This is a plus sign. So I'm going to do a different color. 1, 2, 3. Notice how I put them right next to here. I didn't start down here because I want to be able to see the number really nice. 4, 5, 6. Now, when I look at this 20 frame, I see that there's 10 here. I know that the top of the 10 frame is 5, so 15, 10, 15. I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. There's not a whole 5 here, so I can't count 5 more. That's why I counted by ones. I could also go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Or I could do first grade counting like this. I know my reds were 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. But either way, I know that I have 17 altogether. Even though these are kind of little numbers, I can make them with my tens and ones blocks too. If I look at the number 11, I see that it has a 1 in the tens place. So I could use 1 tens block and a 1 in the ones place. 10, 11 plus 6. A 6, when there's only one number, it means that that's the ones place. So I need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let's do a small subtraction problem, and then we'll do some big ones. How about if I had 18 minus 5? 18 minus 5. Maybe you can try this one at home too. I'm going to start with a 10 frame. A 20 frame. So you could draw a 20 frame at home. I need to make 18. 1, 2, 4. I know that 18 is 10 and 8 more. So I'm going to fill up my 10 frame to get 10. And now I need 8 more to make 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Did you draw one too? Does yours look like mine? Okay. Minus 5. So am I adding 5 more on here or am I taking 5 off? I'm going to take them off. I'm taking away. Now, I don't want to just pull any off. I want to go backwards so that it's easy to see the number really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 5 off and I can see right here, it's 5. Okay, sorry. Now, how many are left? 10, 11, 12, 13. 18 minus 5 is 13. Were you able to follow along? Let's see if we can make this with tens and ones blocks too. In the number 18, I see that there is a 1 in the tens place. So I need 1 10 block. And then there's an 8 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm not going to add more blocks. I'm taking away. So I'm going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can see what I have left is 10, 11, 12, 13, right? There's a 1 in the tens place and 3 ones. Okay, let's do a big one now. Let's do 28 plus 40. 28 plus 40. I'm going to use my tens and ones blocks to build these numbers. How many tens do I need for the number 28? 2, because there's a 2 in the tens place. 10, 20. How many ones do I need? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 plus 40. How am I going to make 40? You can draw and make this at home too. There's a 4 in the tens place. 10, 20, 30, 40. And a 0 in the ones place, so I don't need any ones. Now I'm adding, so I'm going to put these all together. I could do some first grade counting. I know this is 28, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68. I could also move my ones to the side to count at the end and count all the tens first, because I think that that's easier sometimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Were you correct? Let's try this one on the 120 chart. I started at 28 and I want to add 40 more. So first I need to find 28 right here. And I know that 40 was made out of 4 tens. So I'm going to go from 28 and I'm going to count by tens 4 times. 10, 20, 30, 40. And that should bring me to 68. I wasn't doing great pointing. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. 28 is 40, or 68 is 40 more than 28. So 28 plus 40 is 68. Let's do a big subtraction problem. Let's do 86 minus 30. 86 minus 30, minus, so I'm taking away this time. First, I need to build 86. Can you build it or draw it at home? Okay, I'll do mine and then we can check if we have the same. No cheating. $80, $81, $82, $83, $84, $85, $86. Okay, did you build it the same as me? I saw that there was an 8 in the tens place, so I put 8 tens and a 6 in the ones place. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Now I'm taking away, so I'm not going to build 30 more. I'm going to take 30 away. 10, 20, 30. Did you take 30 away too? If you're drawing, you can erase it or put an X. Okay, let's see what's left. Did you solve it at home already? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Were you correct? 86 minus 30 equals 56. Let's do it on our 120 chart. We have to find 86 right here. And now we're going to go backwards 30. 10, 20, 30, and it's 56. Nice job, first grade. Let's do one more thing. Let's look at our clock. We'll do just 2 times. Okay, ready? Oops. Oh my goodness. There we go. This is crazy. I'll try to hold it steady. What time is it? 7 o'clock. My hour hand is on the 7, and when my minute hand is on the 12, that means that it's an o'clock time. What does it mean if my minute hand is on the 6? 30. We're halfway through the hour, so that would be 7:30. Let's do one more. What time is it? 10:30. Because we're not on the 11 yet. The clock goes around this way. So it's still in the 10 space. It hasn't passed the 11. So it's 10:30. Great job, first grade. This was a lot of math. Rashid and I are very proud of you. We know you're working so hard at home. I hope you guys will pick some fun math games to play online today too. Goodbye.